More changes from Royal Caribbean on their vaccination requirements, or should I say corrections, and some new updates from Carnival Cruise Lines on their restart of cruising as well. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So let's get right into it. So on Monday, we released a video talking about Royal Caribbean's vaccination requirements for all U.S. cruises and cruises in the Bahamas. Now, on Royal Caribbean's site, and I'm going to go ahead and put it up here on the screen right now, and this is a question directly off of Royal Caribbean's website of, do I need a COVID vaccine to cruise? What documents count as proof of vaccination, and how far in advance do I need to get my vaccine? And you can see the answer was for cruisers departing from the U.S. or the Bahamas. And we covered all of this in Monday's video. But if you go to Royal Caribbean's site now and you look at the very same question, it has changed again. Now, do I need a COVID-19 vaccine to cruise? What documents count as proof of vaccination? And how far in advance do I need to get my vaccine? It now is for cruises departing from Seattle or the Bahamas, no longer the United States. So we saw a video message from Richard Fain, CEO of Royal Caribbean, in yesterday's video. And in there, he did talk about Royal Caribbean not making the 95% vaccination requirement because a lot of their passengers on board were families that had younger children, and it made up a sizable section of their cruising base, which is why they were going to be doing the test cruises. He also accounted for individuals who medically cannot take the vaccine or do not take the vaccine for religious reasons. And that had brought up an interesting question of, why do test cruises if there is a vaccination to cruise in the United States? And I think this correction answers that question. There's only going to be a vaccination requirement in Seattle and cruises from the Bahamas as of today. And the East Coast sailings from Florida, where the test cruises are going to happen, look like they will not have that requirement. If I had to make an educated guess, I would say that that answer was probably not supposed to have ended up on Royal Caribbean's website. They caught it and they changed it as quickly as possible. And now what we are seeing with test cruises and what we heard from Richard Fain, now everything makes a little more sense as to what direction Royal Caribbean is currently taking. Now, in a report from the Port of Galveston, they have indicated that Carnival Cruise Lines is close to signing a port agreement with local health officials, the port, and the state of Texas, and indicates that they are going to do test cruises from there as well. Now, Carnival has not specified a ship or a date yet that they're going to attempt these test cruises. But for those that were wondering which way Royal Caribbean was going to go, this is a pretty positive indicator that they're going to go with non-vaccinated cruises. Just like Royal Caribbean, a lot of their cruise base is families with younger children, and they're probably also going to have an issue with trying to reach 95% vaccination status. So for them, the test sailings are making more sense. Yet at this time, Carnival has still not released any official statements about port agreements, test sailings, vaccination requirements, or other information about the restart of cruising other than the 3 ships that they intend to start with, being the Carnival Vista and the Carnival Breeze out of Galveston and the Carnival Horizon out of Miami. Now, I've not heard if they have a port agreement or in the process of a port agreement with Miami. But if they're planning to start in July, one would have to assume that something is being worked on. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.